From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Ho Chi Minh City offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Laka Space's expertly trained coffee guides will guide you through the meticulous art of crafting the ideal Fin coffee, utilizing our exclusive Laka Fin blender. The delightful finale to your experience comes in the form of a sumptuous egg custard, served atop this aromatic brew, enriched with Laka raw coffee blossom honey for an exquisite flavor profile. Our informative session delves into the rich history and profound cultural importance of this beloved beverage within Vietnamese society, making it an indispensable aspect of local culinary tradition. This enlightening journey is designed specifically to captivate visitors, providing them with an authentic insight into the vibrant world of Vietnamese coffee culture. This 2-hour experience encompasses engaging hands-on activities, emotionally charged videos, and authentic personal narratives shared by our skilled coffee guides. It commences with an intriguing sensory-rich activity designed to elucidate how each of your 5 senses contribute to the appreciation of coffee exploration. Subsequently, participants will follow a straightforward procedure for brewing 2 Laka coffee blends, utilizing basic brewing techniques that they may subsequently apply at home. Each blend will be complemented by a delectable dessert pairing, enhancing the Vietnamese coffee flavor profile. Travel through the Saigon River Tunnel and experience breathtaking views of District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, as you glide along the banks of the river. Admire the vibrant energy of the old mafia area. Known for its delectable street food offerings, immerse yourself in the unique charm of the floating market, where exotic fruits await your discovery. Venture into the enchanting Chi Ln, Vietnam's bustling Chinese district, to explore an ancient haunted building filled with tales of mystery and intrigue. Browse through the picturesque flower market, offering a feast for the senses with a wide array of blooms afterward. Visit the venerable Thick Queen Jinxi Monument, a poignant reminder of history. Embark on an exhilarating motorbike journey through 4 vibrant districts of Ho Chi Minh City, immersing oneself in the city's rich cultural heritage, historical significance, and bustling daily life experience. Authentic flavors and aromas as you savor mouth-watering local dishes, while guided by experienced professionals who ensure your comfort and safety throughout the tour. Our commitment: no hidden costs. All meals and beverages are included, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Authentic dining experiences. Discover authentic local cuisine that tourists rarely encounter, offering a taste of genuine Vietnam. Safety first. As a licensed and legally registered company, Saigon Adventure prioritizes your safety. Ho Chi Minh City, the bustling capital of Vietnam, boasts unparalleled allure, blending history, culture, and modernity into a captivating tapestry. Established over 3 centuries ago, this vibrant metropolis continues to captivate visitors with its rich heritage and dynamic energy. For those seeking to explore the city's myriad attractions, there are several options available for both shared and private tours. Among these, notable sites include the War Remnants Museum, a poignant museum showcasing the tragic consequences of war, emphasizing the futility of conflict through compelling exhibits. Embark on an enlightening exploration of Vietnamese culture and lifestyle, immersing yourself in its rich heritage and vibrant traditions. Begin by visiting hidden gems cherished by local residents, where authentic flavors and customs await discovery. Engage with captivating narratives from the tumultuous Vietnam War era, providing valuable insights into this pivotal chapter in Vietnamese history. Undertake a guided tour of the War Remnants Museum, allowing you to delve deeply into the harrowing events of the conflict progress to the iconic Reunification Palace, now serving as a symbol of peace and unity for the nation. Departure from your Ho Chi Minh City hotel at 8:00 a.m. and proceed to the Mekong Delta via minivan or bus. Embark upon a 2-hour journey southward through provincial roads in the southern region of Vietnam. You will traverse through rice paddies, pineapple plantations, orchards, and quaint hamlets as you venture towards the Delta. Upon arrival in Mai Tho at approximately 10:00 a.m., embark on a local motorboat cruise past Dragon Island, Phoenix Island, and Turtle Island. Visit the renowned Unicorn Island for a guided tour of a natural beekeeping farm, sampling honey wine, rice wine, and banana wine. Afterwards, explore the village and row along the Coconut Canal to witness daily life in the Mekong Delta.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.